my channel. Welcome to my channel. Ooh. My stomach didn't like that one. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, welcome to Paige's Book. I'm so sorry that you had to hear that, and I hope you didn't turn me off. Anyways, I am, I'm here. I'm sitting here. I'm doing makeup. You see the ring light in my face? Because today is our first official Makeup Monday. So you probably don't know what Makeup Mondays are. Makeup Monday is when I will be posting the video here and on my YouTube TV. We are doing a diamond look. I got these little diamonds. You see them? Can you see them? Can y'all see them for real? Okay, there we go. And we're gonna be using my box of crayons today. Ooh. Shout out to my friend Bree, who got me this for Christmas. I love her so much. And like, I was just telling her, like, girl, I never got it before, but you know, I want one. And then one showed up at my door, and I was like, hey. But yes, let's get into the video. Okay, so I found my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, y'all. I found it. She is here. She is back, and she is ready to be in action. We're gonna put this headband on, even though I got a little stuff on it. But we're gonna put this headband on so I could secure my life, so my hair won't be in my face. This is the time where I wish I could take, even though this is sewing, I wish I could take it off. So the hair won't be in my face. Look at that. Look at that. It's a hot mess. Tragic mess. And we're ready to go. I just want to tell y'all, I'm over the male species. And I'm done. I'm over it. I don't care for them no more. I can't do it. Like, y'all, I want a boyfriend, but at this point, looks like I'm gonna be a mother of dogs. Because like, guys are just so weird. Like, this is one guy, and he wanted to see me, and I was telling him, like, well, you know, I have stuff to do because I'm like busy, and like, I wouldn't be able to do something like right then and there, but you know, I can meet up with you another time. He talking about I was playing games. I'm like, y'all, first of all, if you know me, you know that I stay on go. Like, I really stay on go. For real. Like, went to Florida, then went on a cruise, went back home for Christmas, came back to Atlanta, then went to North Carolina to do a little fun Christmas day with my friend in North Carolina. Like, I stay gone. Like, so I just don't understand how you don't know me getting mad. Oh, the fact that I had plans before you got in my life. Sir, don't listen. Over it. I'm just sitting here like, do I really want to go through all of this? Like, I granted I missed the kind of situation I was in during the summertime, and it's weird because it was definitely a situation. But I feel like I didn't have to, like, nobody was pressing me out to hang with them. And I feel like people are pressing me out now. Like, I don't never want to feel pressure to hang out with somebody because I'm not going to hang out with you, like, at all. I don't know, y'all. I really don't know. Because I'm really over it. But I want to have a boyfriend. That's the thing. I would like to have a man to call my own, y'all. I would like to have him. I would like to have him for real. And if you have watched my vlogs and you want to see me keep vlogging, I need you to give this video a thumbs up. And while you're at it, go ahead and like and subscribe because, you know, we gonna be here for a minute. We gonna sit here and we gonna be here with the family. So you might as well just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. The male species is just weird because like I really don't know. Like I just don't know what's wrong with them. Like even my dad's weird sometimes, and I just sit here like, sir, you should not make your life that hard and that difficult, but yet here you are making your life that hard and that difficult. I don't understand. I really don't understand. Because why? 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 Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Why do they do it like this? Do they do it like that? Oh, man. I'm done. But yeah, now I'm gonna go with my Juvia's Place. I was using my Born This Way Spice From, which I actually need to refill. Did y'all see that? And today is a don't care day, so we're just gonna go in. Actually, today might be a care day, so we might just go back and flatten this out and control a little bit with a good brushy brush. I see that I got rid of that pimple that was on my face. Thank you, Jesus. So yeah, I'm just gonna go under that and control that a little bit because I want a little. I also feel like when I use this, I don't use as much product as I would when I just roll it on my face. So now that I'm like spraying it out, I'm kind of upset that I used the thing instead of just the brush. I'm over these guys already. I'm going to take my Shape Tape and color deep because I kind of just want a little extra highlight. Oh, this kind of looks like the same color. Yep, it definitely does look like the same color. So we're gonna just rewind that back. I want to take, here we go, Maple. Oh, that don't look, oh, okay. You know what? Go for it, Paige. Get it. It looks lighter once I spread it out. Okay, so yes, since we give it a little dimension, and do that. Over the male species. I'm really not. It's been a rough time with me lately. And I'm gonna admit that. I'm a lot to handle. And that is okay. It is okay for you to be a lot to handle. Because you know that when you find somebody, they're really gonna be for you. And right now, the people they're not for you if they can't handle who you are and how you act. And you know, not saying y'all should go out here and act all willy-nilly and crazy with your life, but I'm just saying, if you staying true to yourself and you just being you and being yourself and having your own personality, and they just can't accept that, then to the left, to the left. Come on, everything you own in the box to the left. Because in the closet is my stuff, okay? Thank you. Don't touch it. You keep talking that mess because that's fine. But can you walk and talk at the same time? Give my sis B her credit when it's due. Give her flowers while she's still here. Alright, so now I'm just blending the stuff. Y'all don't need to see me do my eyebrows for the 1,000th time. Okay, so Makeup Mondays is just going to be, you know, any other makeup tutorial and me talking. It's going to be on Mondays now. Also, if y'all want to talk about something specific, give me, y'all can DM me on Instagram at PaigeNavae. Also, I'm thinking about changing my YouTube name from Paige's Book to PaigeNavae. So yeah, just let me know if that is a move that I should do, because you know when you type in Paige's Book, a little girl pops up, and I don't want that to be nothing. I want to have my own brand, my own thing. So yeah, I feel like PaigeNavae might be the move, because that's the difference of like how my eyes open, like more on this side and this side. Anyways, but yeah, I feel like PaigeNavae will be a more distinctive way to find me, first of all, and then it'll be a little bit more me, like use my names and everything. Just let me know. So If you think I should change it to PaigeNavae, comment yes. I added my, just had it. So I added my powder around my face for my contour, as you can see. Now what I'm about to do is add my under eye and honey from Fenty, because your girl likes Fenty. Actually, I got beef for Rihanna right now because somebody leaked her album, her new album cover, if that is even her album cover, like, if you want to be honest. But sis, you told us we were going to get an album in 2019. This is 2020. It's actually our 6th day out here, and we still don't have nothing. So, I got beef between my teeth. You know, bro, who used to watch Zack and Cody? Because they used to be my show. Anyways, we're going to go into a good little green situation today because I got greens. I have to concentrate on this part. I'ma just time lapse this, okay? Y'all with me? Because y'all don't want me to mess up. So y'all with me? We here? We here? I feel like we're here. And I feel like you understand me. And I feel like since we're here and that you understand me, you need to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw how I did that? Gotcha. Caught you lacking. So now you gotta do it. About to add my lashes from Slay by Ella. My friend also got me these lashes, you know, and I'm going to be using the twos right here, so that should be really cute. This was the struggle. I don't know how long it took me to do that because I stopped time lapsing it because it was just taking me forever. Well, I feel like it could have taken me way longer than usual. That took a lot of work, and I did not know it was going to take that much work. I really was like, okay, I'm going to do this, add these diamonds, and be good, but apparently not. God said that he had something else planned for me because that took a while. Hope y'all enjoyed the music that was playing because your girl didn't want to talk the whole time. So I'm thinking about also doing a get to know me tag. I want to do a get to know me tag because I feel like, you know, I reached 1,000 followers and y'all should get to know who I am. So hopefully y'all like that. I don't know. I never done one before because I didn't think people were interested in getting to know my life. But I'm gonna put these on and brush this off. And ooh, I forgot a step. This is the step I forgot, y'all. Okay. So my lashes are on. Hold on, cause this little lash over here is giving me little blues, y'all. So I know you're probably like, why is she doing it? Because it brings my lash a little bit closer to the eye. So what I do is I go and I'm not pinching my eye, I'm just closing in like the little gap. You see that's over there. On this eye as well. Oh, but back to my man's tangent rant. I started this thing called Black, or it's like Black People Meet, something like that. I don't know. Anyways, started looking at it. It's pretty decent so far. Why am I doing these dating apps? I really don't know, because listen, I really feel like I'm gonna meet my man when I'm out the country, and he's gonna be like, yeah, what's up? I'm here on a trip, or I'm coming to visit family, but I live in the United States. And I'll be like, me too. Well, here I'm for the vacation part, not here visiting family, because most of the time I don't have family where I'm going. But yeah, I really feel like that's how it's gonna go, and we're gonna live happily ever after. Because who don't want to live happy ever after with your man? I'm gonna take my You're So Money Baby Kylie Jenner palette that's been through the riches in the trenches, and go in with a tiny brush, and we're gonna do Time for Cake right here. We're gonna just get that a little under eye situation. I really hate getting under my eye because, y'all, my eye be watering. I should have kept the powder there so it could have catch the stuff that's falling, because it's definitely a fall. Listen, I make ugly faces when trying to get up under, like, anything close to my eye. Oh, this mouth is on it. Because I gotta focus. It's not as close as I want it to be, but it's gonna have to do for today. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Just had to do it. So I added You're So Money Baby, and I'm gonna go back in with the green and just follow that back up like that, just on the outside. Okay, y'all, I'm feeling this look. We're gonna give myself some bottom lashes. So now I'm adding my lip gloss. I did a lip liner in Taunt. Now I'm adding my lip gloss from MAC over it. And just to give my lip a little bit of color, I'm going to add this holographic gloss that I got from the beauty supply store. And I'm just going to add a little bit. Yes! Now I'm about to bust down Barbiana on my highlight. Go in with my L. Becky highlighter. Y'all, this teardrop is getting on my nerves, okay? I'm about to just take out my tear ducts, because Lord have mercy. You're messing up my flow, okay? I look like a baby doll. Like, I look like a for real doll. This is so weird. This is weird. I'm shook. I'm a little shook. So, y'all, this is the final look. Like, this is, I hate when that happens. But yes, what are we gonna call this look? Money Baby? Because, what? Like, wow, y'all. I'm kind of shook myself. But I am done. That is all for today's Makeup Monday. Like I said, give me topics if you want to talk about something. If you want to hear me talk about something. If you don't want to hear me talk about something, you know, just let me know. Also, again, I use my eyeshadow palette from Crayon Case called Box of Crayons. I use green and lime green. And then for my other palette for my under eye, I did Time for Cake from my You're So Money Baby palette from Kylie Jenner. These lashes are from Slay by Ella again. Like, they are bomb. I really like them. It took me a little minute to get them on because I wasn't used to, like, really wispy lashes. But I like them. I like the end of the outcome. My lip gloss from MAC. Everything else I used, my liner was actually like a old contour palette thing. And since I don't use it no more, I use it for lining. And yeah, this lip combination is pretty lit. And I'm happy, y'all. Like, I really like this outcome. But I will catch y'all in the next video. Okay.